Medial meniscus posterior tears are confirmed via an anteromedial puller using a probe. An outside impide crossing release of the medial collateral ligament is performed. The first suture is placed approximately 10 mm from the tear edge. The second suture is placed on the outer part, more than 5 mm from the tear. A PRT guide is used to create the first tibial tunnel at the anatomical center of the posterior attachment. A looped suture is passed through the cannulated drill. A needle is inserted at the posterior medial side to confirm intra-articular positioning. A suture lasso is used in the standard antegrade direction to pass through the tape underneath the meniscus. All tapes are then passed through the first tibial tunnel for the standard Pullout repair using a left looped suture. The direction of the suture lasso is reversed to retrograde, allowing the tape to pass over the meniscus. A needle is inserted in the middle portion of the meniscus to confirm intra-articular positioning. An awl may be used to prepare the estimated site for the bone tunnel. A passing pin is inserted at the medial tibial plateau edge. A suture retriever is used to grasp the loop suture. A suture lasso is inserted in the antegrade direction through the medial puller over the meniscus, and the tape is passed over the middle portion of the meniscus. The tape is then pulled out through the second tibial tunnel. All tapes are fixed, followed by final confirmation.